Hey guys, it's Angelo, Christian Financial. Today we're talking about in the Real Estate Insider podcast, how to pay off your 30-year mortgage in 15 years. Can it be done? A lot of people ask me all the time, can you really pay off a 30-year loan in 15 years? Can you cut it in half? And the truth is it can be done. And we're going to talk about how to do it today. It's very easy and you don't have to add an extra $1,000 a month to your payment to actually do it. Just by changing the timing when you actually make your mortgage payment, you can shave 10 years off the loan right off the bat, just by changing from paying monthly to bi-weekly. So it's very powerful because why? Your effective interest rate goes down and your interest expense goes down. So you save massively and you build more wealth and more equity in your property. So we have a real example that we show our clients all the time. We actually do this bi-weekly plan to help people to pay off their loan faster so they can pay less interest to the bank, save more money, build more equity so they have more money for retirement. In this example right here, a $300,000 loan, okay, if you go from 30 years to 15 years, you save over $180,000 in interest in 15 years. So $180,000 can go for your retirement, it can go for your children's college, it can go anywhere but except for the bank. And that's the thing to be aware of that, because if you pay, for example, $2,000 a month on a $300,000 loan, and we take that and you, instead of paying $2,000 a month, you pay bi-weekly of $1,000. Well, what happens is, just by itself, you go from 30 years to 20 years without you adding an extra $100 a month to the payment. So you can go from 30 to 20 by paying $1,000 bi-weekly as opposed to $2,000 per month. So you save 10 years. But if you want to be aggressive and get it paid off in 15 years, you add an extra $100 a month to the payment and you can pay it off in 15 years. So it's very, very powerful that at least you're aware of it. So you have this information, because you can literally go from a 30-year loan to a 15-year loan and save all that interest expense. When you do this, your interest rate will go from 3% down to 2%. Okay? So your interest rate drops 1% and your interest expense goes down by $180,000. This is very, very powerful. If you want to save more money and build more equity in your property, all you have to do is sign up for bi-weekly payments and have them auto-drafted out of your account. Or you can just prepay that annually. You can prepay and add one extra payment annually to the loan. If you don't want to do bi-weekly, you don't have to. All you have to do is add an extra $2,000 annually, one payment extra per year, and you can achieve the same outcome. Okay, so this is very important if you're trying to save money, because a lot of people, they look at their finance charges on a 30-year loan, they see, oh my God, I paid $360,000 in interest for finance charges on my loan, I'm getting screwed. This is a way to beat the banks. That's how banks get rich, right? Because, you're paying on that loan for 30 years. You end up paying more interest on the loan than the house is worth. It's insane. This is a way to redo it so you can, become ahead. So anyway, it's good information to educate you guys out there so you're aware how to get out of debt faster,